Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will explain to you the basic usage of the OBS Studio. In the previous video, I have explained to you how to download and how to install the OBS Studio. In this video, I will explain to you the basic usage of the OBS Studio. Watch this video up to end because this video is very important. Come to the laptop and open the OBS Studio application, and this is the main page of the OBS Studio application. The below is the scene. This is the default option, and for the create scene, click on the plus button and then type the scene name and click on the OK button. For the video capture, click on the plus button and click on the display capture option. I want to display my video here, and you can see here, click on it and type the display capture name. I type my video capture and finally click on the OK button. Then another window will appear here, and you can see here the display capture will appear on the above screen. You can see, select the automatic option and then select this one option. You can see here the display capture will appear in the above screen. It will, and then finally click on the OK button, and this is the main option of the OBS Studio. And I want to capture my audio option, then click on the plus button and then click on the audio input capture. Click on it and type the audio input capture name. I type my video audio name and then click on the OK button and select the default option, and you can also select the microphone array option and finally click on the OK button. It will receive the audio also. And now come to the setting option. This is the important option after the audio and video capture option, and this is the general option, and you can select any type of language from here. And come to the output option. This is the important option, and select the sample option, and you can also select the advanced option from here. And you can also change the audio bitrate, and also you can also change the video bitrate from here. And scroll down, and you can see here this is the encoder preset, and scroll down, and this is the important option and recording path, and you can select, click on the browse option. You can select any path. I want to select the download path, and all audio will download and will record in your download folder. And then scroll down, and you can also change the recording quality. Select this one option, and you can also change the recording format. Click on it, and I want to select this one, hybrid MP4 option, and finally click on the apply button. Click on it and then come to the audio option. Click on it, and you can see here desktop audio. You can disable it, you can also select, and you can also default it, and I want to select the default one option. Click on it and finally click on the scroll down and finally click on the apply button. It is enough. And come to the video option, click on it, and you can also change the base resolution option, and you can also change the output resolution option. And you can see here I want to select this one option. Click on it, and then this is the important option. Click on the hotkey. So this is the hotkey option. This is a very important option, and you can start your video, you can stop your video, you can pause your video, you can unpause your video by the keyboard button. So how to delete this one? And click on the cross button. You can delete the hotkey. I want to start the recording by the hotkey. Press the shift plus insert button, and also stop my recording by the shift plus insert button. And I want to pause my recording, shift plus backspace button, and unpause the recording by the shift plus backspace button. So I select these 4 hotkey, and I save these 4 hotkey for the starting recording, for the stopping recording, and for the pause recording and for the unpause recording. If I press the shift insert button first time, the recording will start here. And if again I press the shift plus insert button, the recording will stop. And if I want to pause the recording for the some time, then I will press the shift plus backspace button from the keyboard. And if I want to unpause the recording and start the recording again, so click on the shift plus backspace button again from your keyboard. I will critically apply these 4 hotkeys. Finally, come to the apply button, click on it and click on the OK button. So for the starting the recording, press the shift plus insert button. The recording will start here. You can see here the recording has been started. If I want to pause the recording by clicking the pause button or by press the shift plus backspace button, the recording will pause. You can see here the recording has been paused. So I want to again starting the recording, press the shift plus backspace button again. The recording will start here. You can see here. So I want to stop the recording. So press the shift plus insert button from your keyboard. So come to the file option. Where is your recording video stored or downloaded? Click on the show recording option and you can see here this is the download folder. This is your recording video. Click on it and then click on the open option and you can see here this is the video I have been recorded before 1 minute. So in short, in this video I have explained to you the basic usage of the OBS Studio. If you have any question about the OBS Studio, write your question in the comments box. Thanks for watching.